whatnot, but it's like little rust spots from chips on the road or hail damage, but there's a lot of dents and stuff and unevenness. The bumper, I did this and I just tried to repair it best I could. When I bought it, it was already like this, and when I was realigning the hood, I was bending the radiator support, this right here, which is the whole front end that holds the bumper and the headlights in, which I don't recommend you do, but I did it because I'm going to replace it pretty soon. But I only did it because it was freaking me out on the highway because my hood was wiggling and it was loose. I was afraid it was going to pop up or something, so I wanted to fix that right quick. You can see the fenders are all dented up and rolled. She's not perfect, but that's why I enjoy it so much, because there's so much to do. See how that's all chipped and broken, and there's a dent, there's rust, little small dinks, paint imperfections. Like, there's a lot of things that need to be done with this car. Like, it's all over the hood. Like, there's one, there's two right here. Like, it's everywhere, which I don't blame the owner. I know he did his best to keep up with the car, but she's in good hands now. Until some of these parts come in, I can't do anything but touch it up and realign things. You can see that gap. It's uneven. The gap between the headlights uneven. It's not flush, and it irks my nerves, but it's the best I can do. Now, the door on the side right here is obviously spray painted. You can just look at it. It doesn't match the gloss, and it's really a black door from another car, and he just spray painted it. It looks legit from a distance, but it's really just spray paint. It's rough and stuff. When we get to the back, there's lots of scrapes and dings and whatnot. I need to actually wash this car because it's been a while since I did so. But other than that, it's not bad. I did swap it. The motors right there, the D series, and there's a whole bunch of parts just laying around and whatnot. But this is how she's gonna be looking until further notice. I did replace the headlights, which it's not bad. I want to get a lip for it, but I'm gonna wait until I probably get another bumper, or I might order the lip and then get another bumper. Of course, I'm ordering new fenders. I'm looking for some nice, decent wheels, and also I need a dropper. You see how freaking horrible that gap is? Look at that. It's terrible. I want a nice flush fitment. I don't want to be super low. I don't want that stance look, but I really want it to be somewhat decent, because there's a really big gap. You can see that. It's like monster truck level. I can put my whole hand in there. It's crazy. But there's that. There's plenty to do, plenty to replace, plenty to touch up on. That's even including the motor itself, because I need to do the oil pan gasket, the seal around it, because that's going bad itself. I don't know if you can see it, but that's going bad itself. Replace the radiator support, of course, because that's just terrible. And hood, bumper, fenders. I'm not sure if I want to get another rear bumper. It's not as bad. It just scrapes, so I can just really just touch up. I can sand it down and put some body filler on it and actually preserve it and keep it Other than that, the small dents in the car, I might end up getting another door because this is way too far gone. Because you can see the wave and that rust. It threw the whole alignment on the car, so you gotta lift up to open the door. You can't just pull it because it won't open. And then you get another handle. But yeah, that's just a tiny bit. I do a little bit every day. There was a wing on it, a little mini spoiler, and I just sealed the holes up with the original screws that came with it, and there was a gaping hole for the harness for the tail light that went on the back of it. And you can see this is going bad. Plasti dip, not the best, but it sealed up that hole, and I wanted another look. But yeah, well, that's it.